Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate variance in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to calculate variance, okay, so as you know there is a two formula for if you want to uh, calculate variance of a sample, there is different formula, and if you want to calculate variance for a population, the formula is different. Okay, so first we will find out the sample variance. Okay, then we will find out population variance. Okay, so to find out sample variance, here you will see I have a dog's x length sample of a dog. Okay, this is the sample. So how to find out? Here you have, I will find out here. So what you have to do, press equals to, then var.s. Okay, then choose all the numbers, bracket close, enter. So this is the variance. Okay, it is in centimeter square. So now if you want to find out standard deviation of this variance, so just find out square root. Okay, sqrt, square root of this, bracket close. So this is standard deviation. Okay, it is in centimeter. Okay, so this is how you can find variance of a sample. And if you want to find out variance of a population, so what is the formula? So this is the population variance of dog x length. Okay, so equals to, then var dot p. Okay, now select all the numbers. Okay, then bracket close. So this is the variance of this population. Then if you want to this is in centimeter square. And now if you want to find out the standard deviation, is equals to n square root sqrt, and select this. So this is the standard deviation. So like this you can find out variance of a sample or a population in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.